Good morning, RPTNs. I welcome all of our students in the present session. Today we are organizing a session and the topic is civic sense. Civic sense is a demand of our time. Civic sense is our national character. Civic sense are part of life. If you have a very good sense of civic sense, a very good idea of civic sense, you can be a very good citizen of the nation. In order to develop a sense of civic sense and in order to develop a civic behavior, today we have organized a session for that and we shall have a reporter, that is Soumya Pandey, and she will continue the session.
A very good morning to all of you. I am Soumya Pandey on the behalf of RPT English classes. Today we have a reporting session that is a good civic sense. Now I am going to asking some questions about the good civic sense. Hello. According to you, what is a good civic sense?
Okay, I am Akansha. I have heard from many people that if someone follows the rules such as traffic rules and give pass to the ambulance, then the people of the society thinks that they have a civic sense. But according to me, this is our duty as an active citizen but not our civic sense. Because civic sense has a deep meaning. It includes sociology, sympathy and the idea of collectiveness for the well-being of the community. When a society is corruption, anarchy and discrimination free and there is harmony among all the people of the country, then we can say that they have a civic sense.
Okay. Can you give some example on the basis of good civic sense?
Yeah, there are many examples of good civic sense, such as we should always being so calm with everyone and we should always being ready to help someone and we have an idea of collectiveness and we work as a unity in order to make our country better.
Okay, so there is any kind of message that you would to say to all the citizens of our India?
Yeah, from the platform of RPT English classes, I want to give a message to all the citizens of India that just only by taking some measures and steps would not make the people aware of their responsibility. Always remember, we all are a part of society and all the steps of improvement should be start from ourselves. In last, I just want to say only one thing. In any situation, we need to always remember that together we can, we will.
Thank you. Hello. According to you, what is civic sense?
Hi, I am Amritanshu, and as we know that civic sense is not about the legacy we show. It is totally about the understanding and practice of one's duty and responsibility, and it refers to the basic ethic, behavior, respect, and individual are shown. As we know that civic sense is very important. Like if we follow civic sense, the half of the work get easily of the society. And civic sense is not just about the responsibilities or honesty. It is just about the how we educate someone. Like if every citizen developed a strong civic sense, the result will be clear, safer, and more harmonic society. If the small change in behavior that can lead to a different nation, we should change that.
Okay. Where do we find the violence of civic sense?
Like as we know that violence of civic sense is totally frequently observed in various aspects of our daily life, particularly in public space where basic social responsibilities are often ignored. On road of highways, like individuals are breaking the traffic rules, honking the horns unusually, and overspeeding their vehicles. As the violence is also on our daily life also. Like if we stuck in the traffic and the ambulance are also there, we don't give the way to them. Like it is very disrespectful, and it's happened due to the lack of civic sense.
There is any kind of message that you want to give to all the citizens of India?
Yeah, like dear citizens, the true strength of nation lies not only in economic growth or technology, but is totally depend on our character, behavior, and etc. Like civic sense is not about the respect of law, public property, cleanliness, and fellow citizen is foundation of civilized progress. Each of us play an important role to develop our civic sense So we have to increase our civic sense to growth of our country and our nation.
Thank you. Hello. According to you, what is civic sense?
Hey, this is Aditya Anand, and according to me, civic sense is an example that how you grow properly. Like someone is driving a car or bike over speed, like 100 and 110 speed. Someone is not giving the way to the ambulance for in traffic congestion. That's the example that how someone grow his childhood from elder.
Okay. According to you, what is a good civic sense?
For help each other.
Did you ever see the violence in front of you of civic sense?
Yes, I have seen in the social areas, like in the mall. I also seen that in highways, in road. I also seen that some people are violenting, and some drivers are park their vehicles in the middle of the road, and that shows a very bad civic sense.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
According to you, what is civic sense?
Okay, I'm Kriti, and in my point of view, civic sense is not only a word, it is a foundation of our society. It not just street and public property is clean, but also has to do abiding with the law and regulations made by our constitution. And also remember, civic sense is a manner which reflects your personality, discipline, and your behavior.
Okay. According to you, what is a good civic sense?
Yes, being an active citizen of a country, it is our responsibilities to follow and obey the rules and regulations mentioned in our constitution, such that follow the traffic rules, park the vehicles in the parking lot in the middle of the road, not to fight each other on the basis of gender and caste, and spread peace and harmony among all the peoples. Then we can say that not only a single man, even the whole country has a sense of civics behavior.
Any kind of message that you want to give to all the citizens?
From the platform of RPT English classes, I want to give a message to all the citizens of India that if you make civic sense as a part of your life, it will shape our future. And we are a human being. We have some emotions, feeling, and also some responsibilities. So we should maintain it every stage of our life. And so is the world. Still, the humanity is alive. At the last, I want to say that just contribute your one step for enhancing the idea of civic sense. Thank you.
Hello. According to you, what is civic sense?
Hello everyone, this is Shubham Kumar Pandey on the behalf of RPT English classes. Today we have reporting session based on a good civic sense. First of all, we need to understand what is civic sense. Civic sense, it is the appropriate manner of behavior in terms of responsibility and social ethics that people should have towards their community, society and the nation.
Where we find the violence of civic sense?
There are many places we have find violation of civic sense. But some examples I want to mention here. First, dirty public places. We know that we are often visited public places, but some of the people spitting, urinating and smoking in non-smoking zone. This shows the violation of civic sense. Second one, traffic congestion. While drivers on traffic, they start to making horns, start to breaking traffic rules. These lead to traffic congestion and also violate the rights of pedestrian. They should make aware of all the people that they should not break traffic rules. Then after, noise and air pollution. While in traffic, most of the people make horns. These lead to the noise pollution. Then after, the most of the people have an emotion for the disrespectance of the law and order. We all are living in a nation that we should have right to protect our moral things like flags, national song and these things that we should protect.
According to you, how we improve our civic sense?
There are a few initiatives that I am advised to take all the people. That first we should learn about what are the things that include civic sense. And a few things I want to mention, that is public etiquettes, traffic discipline, respect for others, and public participation. We should be an active citizen. And the question is how do we can raise civic sense? First thing, with the help of e-media platforms, organizing sessions based on civic sense. And most common thing, most of the educated people think that if someone violates civic sense, why should I follow this? If we are not able to follow civic sense, because civic sense is the soul of responsible country. If we are not able to develop a responsible country, how we can develop in a better manner?
Hello, according to you, what is civic sense?
According to me, this is nothing but social ethics, and this not just keeping the road, street, and so public property can clean. This is our duty abiding by the law. This is it.
Give me some good example of civic sense.
Good example of civic sense include respecting traffic rules, using public facilities responsibly, and keeping the environment clean and volunteering for community projects. Civic sense.
Hello, according to you, what is civic sense?
Hello, myself Sriya Sharma. According to my perception, civic sense is not just mean that clean the city clean and don't spitting here and there and don't throw the garbage on the road and also anything else. Respecting elders and social ethics is a big part of it. I want to tell about social ethics. According to me, the moral principle and the standards that the guide a individual or a group or a society. They are about how we should treat each other and how should we organize other and society to ensure fairness and well-being for all the people. At the last, at a birth, most of the people and us born with the 5 senses, exceptional few with the 6 senses, but none of born with the civic sense. That we have to learn the civic sense.
So where we find the values of civic sense?
Respect everyone and if something is bad happening in the middle of the road, then this is our responsibility to stop them and many things.
Is any kind of message that you want to give all the citizens?
As we all know, our India is rich in everything like culture and tourism, legacy, heritage, and many things. But if we connect the civic sense in that, our India become the world beautiful and safest country in the world.
Hello, according to you, what is civic sense?
So,
Our India become the world beautiful and safest country in the world.
Hello, according to you, what is civic sense?
So civic sense is the awareness and responsibility of individuals to behave in a social responsibility in considered manner.
There's any kind of message that you want to give to all citizens?
From the platform of the RPT English classes, I want to give a message to all citizens that civic behavior is not just about following rules. It's about respect for our communities, for each other, and for the shared space.
That makes your personality, that shows your personality in a very much ways. So as far as possible, just try to help everyone. And the good examples of the civic sense is avoid monkey business. Try to make yourself flamboyant. We all have a selfish bone in our body, so at times just try to avoid it and make yourself flamboyant. And the most important thing that I would to say to all the citizens of India, please stop using abusing words, especially in front of the kids. You just can't imagine that they observe that words from us and they just try to copy us. So just try to control the situation in very calm way and nicely. So if some students or if some children observe anything from you, that is a good manner or good civic sense. Thank you to all.